Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. I've got a new kit. I haven't had a kit in ages. This one is the Kindness Cards kit. And yeah, I saw this one and I thought, this looks really, really sweet. Let's have a go at this. So I bought it. I thought I'd treat myself. And yeah, I thought I'd share it with you all as well. So what have we got? We've got a basic grey ink spot. Some, I don't know if they're stickers or die cuts, stamps. Oh, I love that. And then this is what caught my eye. It's a tin. And there's the instructions. So I'm going to hang on to those, scooch that out of the way. So there's my clear block. So we always get a clear block. So they are all-inclusive kits, so everything is there. Makes a great gift. And then my little tin, so cute. And the cards, they are little diddy ones. So there's 8 envelopes, and then we've got some die cut pieces. And oh, they're coasters. Oh yes, they're coasters. They're not cards, so proper giftable. Oh, look at the little rainbow, so sweet. And yeah, more of these pieces. Oh, more little rainbows. Oh, those are so cute. So they're coasters, they're not cards. Oh, exciting. So those feel like yeah, they're all stickers. Right, let's get making. So I'm guessing that all 8 are going to be different. How many have I got here? Yeah, I have got 8. Right. Okay. What am I stamping on though? Oh, oh, look. Oh, that's the side that you stamp onto. And that's the back. Oh, love it. So I've got this red one, pink one here that has got that on the background. So, okay, my stamped images, kindness wins, you are amazing. Then it says something around there. No act of kindness is ever wasted. Oh yeah, so no act of kindness is ever wasted. Right, so I'm going to get my own block. I'm not going to use the little blocks. So I'm going to get one of those and I'm going to get my own basic grey, not the little ink spot. And okay, so I'm going to stamp that onto there. Oh, that's lovely. Let me zoom in a little bit, just, ooh, wrong way, just so you can see a bit better. And then onto one of these yellow ones, kind people are my kind of people, which is this one. And that's going onto a yellow one. And where am I putting that? That goes onto the back. Right. Oh, it definitely is a sticker. Oh, I love that. Oh, and then that goes in there. Fabulous. Right, next one. So we do 2 of each one. So this one's got the gold. And let me clean up. So I've got my Stampin' Scrub and Stampin' Mist onto one side. This is great because it's just using one colour. And this one I want, you shine like the stars, have a great day. Yeah, it uses one colour, and a nice way to get somebody into crafting who perhaps thinks they're not so much the crafty. I think everybody's got the opportunity to be crafty and creative. This one is just saying, this is just the thanks. A smaller block for that. I've got a very squeaky chair today, haven't I? that's going to go onto here. The red one, not particularly lined up, but we'll not worry. That one into there. We do finish off the tin, actually. And then a green one. Your smile makes the world a brighter place. So clean this one up. What a lovely set of sentiments. Oops, put that on there. So this one's onto a green one. Oh, which green? No, it's onto the blue. Yeah. And the sentiment this time is pass it on. So your smile makes the world a brighter place. Pass it on. And that one's onto a blue. I wonder what to do with the rainbows. Haven't got that far yet. And then the last one is the green one. Let's clean these blocks up. This one says, enjoy the act of kindness and you made my day. Oh, love that. And this is going on to a pinky red one. Am I using like 3 different things? I am. I've got a few of them on the go. Oops. Oops. And that one onto the back. And then for the tin. Right, so we're using the same one. Enjoy the act of kindness. That comes onto here. Oh no, inspired. Enjoy this act of kindness. I've got inspired by your kindness. That must be the one. That goes on to... Oh, my mum's ringing me. Huh. Just mute that. So that goes into the middle on there. That goes onto the tin lid. And then all my other bits, oh, you see, I can do different ones. I can do different phrasing. Oh no, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rainbows presumably are just for additional decoration. Oh, I'm going to have a rainbow. I'm going to have this rainbow. That one up there. Let me put those away. So I've got 4 more that I can make. But I'm going to put some on here. Inspired by your kindness. Lovely thing to say. And this one. Oh, I do love stickers. I don't think I ever stopped loving stickers. I'm such a child. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Stickers make the world a brighter place. Ooh, stars. So I'm going to put a rainbow there. I don't know why I'm putting them away. I'm going to get them back out again in a minute. And how's that for them? Mum's left a voicemail. I love that. Those are lovely. And we just broke I have a coaster downstairs for, you know, my cup of coffee or my drink in the lounge, and it fell on the floor the other day and smashed, and it had an S on it. And I was like, no. So I'm going to take one of these down. Love them. That's so much fun. So that is called Kindness Matters, this kit. I've lost the price of it. Oh, there we go. Kindness Matters. No, Kindness Cards. Is it called Kindness Matters? Kindness Matters. Kindness Cards. Just search kindness in my online store, but I'll put a link for it anyway. But I love that. How charming is that? Nice little gift. So you could make these and give them to somebody for Christmas or birthday or whatever. So anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me and my excitement. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.